Next simple question is from Boolean algebra. You may say it as Boolean algebra or mathematical reasoning, logical reasoning, anything, okay? And I'm going to solve this problem using the laws of statements, right? See, we call it as statements or laws, mathematical reasoning, anything, right? So I'm going to use the laws of statements. First of all, look at the question. See, P implies Q and Q implies negation of P is given. See, we need to find its equivalent statement. So for that, I am going to use the laws of statements. For that, you need to know the equivalent statement for P implies Q. Already you memorized the equivalent statement for P implies Q as a formula. What it is? Negation of P or Q. Okay? Negation of P or Q is the equivalent statement for P implies Q. And we have Q implies negation of P. Look there. P implies Q. What is its equivalent statement? Negation for the first statement or second statement as it is. Here you need to write negation for this first statement or second statement as it is, which is negation of P. Now when you observe negation of P or Q and negation of Q or negation of P. See, this is negation of Q or negation of P. You may also read it as negation of P or negation of Q. This term and this second term both contain negation of P. Using distributive property, you just pick out negation of P as a common thing, or in the bracket we have Q and negation of Q, because we left with the Q in the first term and with the negation of Q in the second term. What you say about this Q and negation of Q? Which is a false statement, right? Negation of P or a false statement. Negation of P or a false statement is simply nothing but negation of P. Okay? Is it right? Because it is a or, always that or with the false contradiction gives us negation of P as an answer. That means, I think, see, any statement or false gives us that statement as it is as an answer. So we have negation of P at the end as an answer. Okay? You need to pick out negation of P as the correct answer from the given options. I will discuss some more simple questions like this in the same video, right?